Creating a course on Kajabi is straightforward and allows you to provide a structured learning experience for your audience. Here's how to do it. Log into Kajabi. Access your Kajabi dashboard. Navigate to Products. Click Products in the main menu and select Create New Product. Choose a product blueprint. Kajabi offers templates for different product types like online courses, memberships, or coaching. Select online course for your course. Name your course. Enter a title for your course and click Generate Product to start building it. Customize the course structure. Add categories to organize your course content into modules or sections. Under each category, add posts, which are the individual lessons. You can upload videos, PDFs, images, or other media. Set pricing and access. Go to Offers to set the course price and determine how customers will access it. Design your course. Use Kajabi's custom themes to design the appearance of your course pages. Publish your course. Once your content and design are ready, click Publish to make the course live.